So we got this situation. So we have to solve this part. Okay. Now look at this. If you will observe, you have number in the coefficient. This means what? This means that you have to take help of differentiation. Correct? Now, what do you think? Do you think that 1 plus x power n can help you? Yes, it can help. But look at this. Here if you will observe, you are having x to the power 1. है ना 25c1 x power 1. So if you will differentiate, you will have 1, not 5. Here you will have x square. You won't have 9. Correct na? And also if you will multiply both sides by x power 4, so here you will have x power 6. Differentiation would become x power 6, okay, not 9. So what you have to do, first go with the general term. Okay, so first find tr. So look at this. So first term is having 0, means 25 is there, and then c. Now first term is 0, second term is 1, third term is 2, fourth term is 3. So whatever I am asking you as a term, you are saying 1 less than that one. Correct? So tr minus 1. Correct? Now look at this. The coefficient of first element is 1, then 5, then 9. If you observed, you figured out that these numbers are in AP. Okay? So if numbers are in AP and you want to write down the general term, you should write dn plus or minus something. Okay? Now, so the first term is 1, second term is 5. So what is the common difference? Common difference is 4. So can I write 4n? Now, the first value of n is 1. So it will become 4. So what you will do with 4 so that you can become 1? You have to subtract 3. है ना? So this is formula of Tn. But you have to write Tr. So how you should respond? 4r minus 3. Okay? Now you can expand this thing. So it is 4r 25 cr minus 1 minus 3 times 25 cr minus 1. Okay? Now we can apply the limit. Okay? So it starts from summation r equals, r starts from 1, okay, and ends at 26. Then only na 26 minus 1 will become 25. Correct? So look at this. So it is 4r 25c r minus 1 minus 3 25c r minus 1. Okay? Now you know that we can segregate summation when it is in addition or subtraction. And if anything is in the constant, you can take that thing outside. So summation r starts from 1 to 26. So r times 25 cr minus 1 minus 3 times 25, sorry, it should be summation r starts from 1 to 26, 25 c r minus 1. Okay? Now, if you will open this part, you will have things which will look like 4 times 1, 25 c0, 2, 25 c1, 3, 25 c2 dot dot dot. Okay, so this is your first part. Now look at the second part. So 3, and then you will be having 25 c0 25C1 dot 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 25C25. Correct? Now let's expand this thing. So you know that here things are in the numerator, the number are in the numerator. So you have to take help of differentiation. Differentiation of what? 1 plus x power 25. Let's expand. 25C0 x power 0, 25C1 x, 25C2 x square, 25C3 x3 dot dot dot. Okay, now look at this. Look at this part. So what is this thing? This thing is sum of all binomial coefficient. So if I'll replace x with minus, x with plus 1, you can get this thing. Correct? So it is 2 power 25. Correct? Now we have to manipulate this thing. So if you'll observe this thing, you will have, like, look at the first part. So lower subscript is 0, but you got coefficient as 1. But if you'll differentiate this one, you will have coefficient as 0. Okay? So what we should do? We should create 1. So can I multiply both sides by x? So this thing will become 1, this thing will become 2, this thing will become 3, this thing will become 4. Correct? Now do differentiation. So you know that on LHS you have something into something and then differentiation, means UV, differentiation of UV. So what I will do, I will keep first function as it is and then we will differentiate second function. So 25 1 plus x power 24, differentiation of 1 is 0, differentiation of x is 1. Okay, now plus, we will keep second thing as it is, 1 plus x power 25, and then we will differentiate the first function. So what is the first function? 1. And then later you will have 1 time 25 C0 x power 0, 2 time 25 C1 x, 3 time 25 C2 x square dot dot dot, and it is same as the question. So can I replace x with 1 in this thing to get the yellow part? Okay, so just put x equals to 1. So in this part, है ना? So we will have 25 and then 2 power 24 plus 2 power 25 and then we have 4, 2 power 2. So this is the yellow part answer. Now 3 times, you know how we got this thing? Just replace x with 1 and you will get things done. So it is 2 power 25. Correct? Now let's do the simplification. So 25, 2 power 26, 2 power 27 minus 3 power 3 into 2 power 25. So can I take 2 power 25 common so that we can have 25 from here and then 2. So it is 50. From here we will have 2 power 2 like left. So which is 4. And then from here we will have 3. So it is 51. So it is 51 time 2 power 25. So according to us answer is this, but according to them answer is 2 power 25 into k. 2 power 25 into k. So what is k? You can compare and you will get 51. Okay, I hope you got the idea and you can handle similar situations. Okay.